Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos, guys. Continue watching my videos, guys. You can give them a like for the. Let's peel the potato together, guys. And our piece is on fire. I'm going to boil it for 1 hour. Yes, guys, I already peeled the potatoes, wash them, and I'm going to cut them into chips. Come with me as we cut them into chips. We are going to prepare chips masala. We have onions and garlic. I will clean them later. Let's cut the chips first. Yes, guys, I already cut the potato chips. They are ready. They are much ready to be cooked. Come with me as we cook them. Deep fry them with oil. Come, guys. We are going to add the cooking oil. We are going to fry our masala chips. We are going to fry chips, then later we prepare masala. And here, I have my blended tomato for masala. And I have the green pepper, the onions, I'm going to chop them. I have coriander powder, cumin powder, black pepper, masala chips, paprika, mixed herb, and salt. Enjoy the video until the end. I'm going to add the my potato chips in and let cook. And let them fry potatoes inside to get cooked. Umefanya katikati.
Zinaendelea. Zinaendelea.
So our potato is cooking very well, the potato chips, and I have the ingredients: onions, I already chopped them, red, green pepper, and the garlic is here. So as the potato is being cooked, later I will be showing you how the result is. It's ready. First round is ready. I'm waiting for the second round. Then I will fry onions and tomato and mix the spices. Then I will show you the result. Enjoy the video. This is for our masala cake. Onions and garlic fried with oil. I'm going to add this one. Then these are the spices I made. I'm going to add all of them, even the salt. I'm going to add our blended tomato. And this is our chips. We are going to mix it here with chips masala. Let us mix it. And it is ready to be served, guys. Welcome and enjoy together. It's ready to be served. Let us taste together. Very delicious, guys. Welcome and enjoy together. I saw you I was serving with peas beans, green peas. We make it stew. We are going to serve it with also chips masala. And we have some rice too. Thanks for watching this video until the end. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment. And for those who are not subscribed, guys, do so. Subscribe to me. Thank you so much. Watch this video until the end. Let us serve food and enjoy together. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye.